Good everyone, just a quick one. When you look at this picture you are seeing, these two monarchs, they are prominent Yoruba monarchs, okay? Now, both of them were ambushed, both of them were killed. That was last year by Fulani terrorists. And it was not a national issue. I mean 27 monarchs, like you see the Sultan of Sokoto, the Emir of Kanu, if two of them were killed by a terrorist, do you know how the world will react to it? But these two people were killed. They were killed. And nobody even cared to talk about it. Even the Yorubas, who we know that they are the heavyweights when it comes to media. But nobody even tried to make it go viral. This is what we are seeing. Because the people in charge of Nigeria are the people who are terrorizing. Okay? That is just a simple meaning to it. People who are terrorizing are in charge of Nigeria. Now tell me that how can a prominent king, a serving king, a monarch be ambushed and killed by the terrorists and no one is talking about it? Okay? But ever since then, more than 10,000 people have been killed by the same set of people. Everybody is just trying to wake up now. But 16 persons were killed in Urumi. It's about to cause a war. Anyway, killing is killing anyway. So any killing is not good. So what we are trying to say in this essence is that anybody who is coming to any community now, anything you see, you manage. If you come with knife, you will go with knife. If you come with gun, you will go with gun. The measure you bring, the measure you are going to receive. Okay? Because people are fed up. Where there is no justice, jungle justice is inevitable. I am not a supporter of mob action. I don't support all sort of things. But the global law of self-defense is just simple that if someone is bringing bottle to stab you, you have right to use bottle to defend yourself. If someone is coming to use knife to stab you, you have right to use the same to defend yourself. If someone is equally coming to use AK-47 to attack you, you still have right to use the same AK-47 to attack the person back. This is not the time for us to sleep and say, oh, God will judge them. No, and no. It is better we send them, God will judge them, instead of God to judge us. Okay? Because the dead are conscious of nothing. Once you are gone, you are gone. Nobody will even talk on your behalf. They will close the matter. So let everybody know what they are doing. In this life, in this part of the time, part of this world we are now, do not let anybody to take your life, for no reason. Don't let anyone to just come and intimidate you. You have a right to live, okay? Including your politicians and media. These two set of people are your enemies. Because if the politicians had reason to this occasion of killing, what we are seeing today will not happen. If the media was subject to good reporting, what we are having today will not have it. Now, a lot of people are still talking about Urumi system, what happened in Urumi system. I'm still telling them, these people, they say they are hunter, but they are not member of Nigeria Hunters Association. They are not registered hunters. They said they have license to their gun. And so what? And hunting has jurisdiction. You can't travel from Delta State, go to Abuja to hunt in their bush. Who gave you the authority? Let them bring the permission of River State government or that local government they went to. Let them bring the local government chairman approval of the hunting. So it is time we begin to ask questions and know the truth about what is going on. Anyway, it is what it is. These two kings, nobody is remembering them today. So don't let it to be your turn. Don't let these useless and uncircumcised terrorists come and just try to take your life. The major thing you have to work towards now is how to protect your life. Okay? It's how to protect your life. That is where we are now. The time is now. Nigeria has been at war for so many years, but it is time now because everybody have seen that there is no way out. Everybody is now coming to realize that there is a problem. Everybody is now realizing that if we do not wake up, our communities are gone. Everybody is now realizing that if we do not wake up, things that we did not even expect will come against us. And if you did not wake up, when I mean wake up, I'm talking about swinging into action. You deserve to live. You have rights to live. Don't let anybody to tell you otherwise. You have right to live. And time without number, I have established the fact that the federal government of Nigeria is behind the killings. We have proofs. We have everything that could cause an uproar, an uprising. Just that Nigerians do not take anything serious. According to IBB in his book in page 336, say Nigerians are badly educated because they don't ask questions. Anything you give them, they take. If you push them, they go. They are badly educated by journalists and influencers. IBB, that was what IBB quoted. And that is absolutely true because we don't ask questions. Why is it that our people are dying and the governments are not saying anything? Why? That is a very big question. Why? And until you come to have this answer, there is nothing that will wake you up. Oh, look at it. It is coming. It is coming. Don't say they did not warn you. You see, history will always vindicate the just. People came, they talk. Nnamdi Kanu talked. Sunday Igbo talked. So many people talked. And I am still talking now. If you have been following me for over a year now, there is nothing I didn't say that is not happening. Everything I predicted is happening. This is not because of I am, let me say, a security analyst or a security expert. No, it's a common sense. Anybody that sees the handwriting on the wall, in a country where the head of intelligence, Nigeria Intelligence Agency head will come out to tell you that the killing will not stop, that is bent to Islamization. This is someone who has served Nigeria Navy for good 35 years. An incumbent governor, a sitting governor, come out to say a minister of defense is a bandit, that he's paying bandit using the government house to harbor them. The vice president was accused of sponsoring Boko Haram. United Arab Emirates on September 15, 2021 released the names of people who were terrorizing Nigeria and financing it. Up to today, no arrest was made. Buhari said that if you fight Boko Haram, it's a fight against the North. Everybody is keeping quiet. But there is difference between the politicians and the Gen Zs. Despite most of the upcoming people don't even know anything about what is going on. But we are here to stay. And there is nothing that will make us to back off. No. What happened in Turkey will not happen in Nigeria. What happened in Jordan will not happen in Nigeria. What happened in Iran will not happen in Nigeria. What happened in this Afghanistan will not happen in Nigeria. Read your history and understand what kind of country were these countries. What kind of country are they before? What kind of country Turkey was before the Islamization of Turkey? Go and read your history. That is what is playing up in Nigeria. They have silenced everyone to the extent that your governors pay allegiance to them. Your political, because that is the first thing they do. They make sure they hold your leaders. That nobody, if you talk now, your leader will come out to tell you that nothing is happening. Imagine ordinary local government chairman, a man that is hungry, coming out to defend terrorists, saying that terrorists are not killing in Enugu state. And as I speak to you, in a move issues on local government, terrorists are occupying schools. If you doubt what I am saying, I can give you transport to go to these issues on local government. I'll give you transport for you to go fame where you are going, if you will go and come back. Terrorists are occupying schools, are doing all sorts of things. But the military are aware of this, the police are aware of this. But they are colluding. According to T.Y. Danjuma, from another former military chief, he said that the military are colluding with the armed bandits to commit crime against ethnic cleansing, he said, against the people. So when are we going to wake up? It is time or never.